Most people work all their lives and still struggle financially. Why? Today, I'll reveal the real reason most people never get rich and how you can break the cycle starting today. Most people spend everything they earn, leaving nothing for investments. Tip: save at least 20% of your income and put it to work through smart investments. Without understanding money, investments, and passive income, people repeat the same mistakes. Tip: read, watch, and learn from proven strategies. Knowledge is the fastest path to wealth. Many people know what to do but are too afraid to start. Fear keeps them stuck. Tip: start small, take calculated risks, and learn as you go. Most follow what everyone else does: a job, a lifestyle, or trends. Tip: think independently and find ways to create multiple income streams. Rich people think long-term. Most people want instant results. Tip: focus on compounding, passive income, and assets that grow over time. Breaking free from financial struggles isn't about luck. It's about mindset, knowledge, and action. Apply these 5 principles, and you'll be on your way to building real wealth. Welcome to Midnight Money Insights, the place where you learn how to make your money grow, even while you sleep. If you want to change your financial future, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you want more strategies to make your money grow while you sleep, subscribe now and join our community.